Be prepared to talk about anything you put on your resume in an interview. If you haven't participated much in an organization, talk about how you plan to get involved and what you hope to gain from being in the organization. Be specific when answering questions in an interview. Give a scenario to show how you've contributed. As an officer in an organization, you should have a lot of experience that you can talk about. Employers will look at your extracurriculars on your resume and will ask you about them. If you want to talk about these activities, you need to be able to say how the organization improved your technical or professional skills and how you helped improve the organization in turn. Employers want to see a genuine active effort in your commitments and want you to be able to talk about these experiences. Best of luck on your future professional endeavors from IEEE.